New hires and probation periods. How to monitor the screen closely in the first 30 days. So, new employees often need more guidance and sometimes more control. In this video, I will show you how to keep a closer eyes on new hires during their probation. You will, you will see how to filter and focus on specific computers inside the Wolfeye dashboard, and um, we'll talk about transparent versus discrete monitoring and how to communicate this internally. Yeah. So let's start with the video. But please, disclaimer: only use the software I will show to you only if you are legally allowed to do it in your country for your specific use case. Talk to a lawyer before using this software that I will show you here, because not in every country, not for every use case you're allowed to do it. And sometimes you even have to inform, or you only can use it if you inform your employees. We do not give legal advice. Take legal advice before thinking about using this kind of software that I'm telling you. So what can you do if you have new employees and you would like to take a closer look in the first 30 days that they work, of what they do, and how they spend their time, and if they have problems, and so forth and so on. And to do that, you can use a small piece of software that's called Wolfeye Remote Screen, and I will tell you in this video where you can download it even. Yeah? Wolfeye is a small piece of software, and you install it on each of the new hires' computers. The installation takes, I don't know, less than a minute. You will see it because I will demonstrate it in this video. And after you install it, you get a link to your dashboard. This is the demo dashboard. That's where the password is displayed. But basically, you get a link to the dashboard, enter to the dashboard, and for each of the computers of the new hires, in this case, 5 new hires computers, you will see the live computer screen of that particular employee, the live screen you will see, okay? And you could even, this is the demo dashboard, so that's why you see here dummy pictures. But in reality, you will really see the live screen. And live screen means it will be a screenshot made every 2 to 3 seconds, okay? So what you even could do is you could even take a closer look at one particular computer of a new hire. So let's say you're seeing strange things happening here on this computer or on this. You right mouse click on the link that says live and open in a new tab. And then you will, the new browser tab will open. You will see the live screen of that particular computer. Again, this is only a dummy picture, but in reality, it will be the live screen. And since this is a browser, yeah, you will be able to see and to access this dashboard even on your smartphone. Yeah? And if you wanted to take a look what has been done throughout the day, uh, you can even enable screenshot history. That's why you see these links here, history, because then you could check for one particular computer, right mouse click on history, open in a new tab, and we'll get the screenshot history. Every 5 minutes, a screenshot is saved here to the history tab. Again, this is a demo, that's why you see dummy pictures, but in reality, you will really see what has been done throughout the day for that particular computer. Yeah? So that's how it works. If you want to use it to test it completely free for a few weeks, come to our website, wolfeye.co. Wolfeye.co, set your language to English here, and click this button that says 14-day free trial. And you can here book a live and free demo session with me. And in this demo session, what will happen will be the following. I will have already installed Wolfeye on my computer, and I will give you the access to my dashboard. And in this demo session, you will see my live screen, basically, so that you see exactly how it works. You will see my live screen. And if you like it, we can proceed. You can proceed, and by the way, I speak English, Spanish, German, Portuguese. What we can do is, in next step, that we install it on 1 or 2 of your computers, or even on all, but it's enough to install it on 1 or 2 of your computers, because that will enable you to install it on the remaining of your computers. And you try it for a few weeks to see, do you like it? Does it fit your need? That's important, of course. Before you make any other decisions, you need to test it to see it working, to know how if you like it. And I promise you, you will love it. Yeah, you really, really will love it, because everybody loves it whenever they try it out. So I will help you install it on one or two of your computers, and that's it. So come to our website, wolfeye.co. Here you see the website, and schedule a demo session with me. I will be happy to meet you, to get to know you, and see you in the next video.